Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do yet another earphone comparison, and this time around we have the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z base edition and we have the Oppo Enco M31. So when we did the videos on the new OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z base edition, many of you have asked us to compare it with the regular version. We also already did that video. Now we have the Oppo Enco M31. Most of you have asked us to compare with the Oppo Enco M31, which is one of the best wireless earphones below the 2000 price segment in India. And we had compared it with the regular Bullet Wireless Z edition and found it to be better than the Bullet Wireless Z. But now with the Bullet Wireless Z base edition, the base has improved, but there is a reduction in battery life. So which of these is better in the 2000 rupees price segment? Now remember, the Oppo Enco M31 has got a permanent price drop of 200 rupees. Now this is priced 1799, that's 1800 rupees, while this is priced 1999, that's 2000 rupees. So there is a 200 rupees difference between these two right now. So which of these is better and which one should you buy? That's what we are going to do in this video. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started. So let's first start with the design and build quality. Now if you look at the design aspect, you can see that both these devices, earphones, looks quite good in terms of the design. Now here we have a slightly bigger design on the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, while it's slightly smaller on the Oppo Enco M31. Now if you look at the earphones, both have the magnetic latch mechanism, which allows you to stop the playback and switch off the earphones as soon as you latch onto the magnet, and once you detach it, the power turns on and it is automatically connected. So in terms of design aspect, we feel both are quite good. Now personal choice would be the Oppo Enco M31 because of the smaller design. Now in terms of comfort aspect, we have tried both these earphones for quite long time, and we feel comfort is quite similar on both the devices. Now here again, it depends upon how comfortable it is for you. That's more of a personal thing because it depends upon your ear pattern, ear size. Now our personal choice would be the Oppo Enco M31 because we felt more comfortable with the Enco M31. It's also lightweight. Now if you look at the neck pad design, you can see that the Oppo Enco M31 is a bit smaller, and you can see that slightly glossy finishing is given here on both these to give a slightly premium looks. Now here you can see that it is more of a matte finish plastic and looks slightly bigger. Here you can see that the control panel is slightly bigger here than the Oppo Enco M31. Now controls are quite similar. You get volume up and down key, and on the OnePlus, central button is the multifunction key. Here on the Oppo Enco M31, you can see that volume up and down is top and multifunction is at the bottom. So minor differences, and both have the mic on these. There are no separate microphone area, so this is the area where both of them have mic. Now both have USB Type-C charging ports. Now so that was the design and build quality and the comfort factor. So here there is no clear winner, but our personal choice, probably if you were to pick one in terms of design and comfort, I would pick probably the Oppo Enco M31. Now next, the features. So both of them have IP rating. Now the Bullet Wireless Z has IP55, while the Oppo Enco M31 has IPX5 rating. So that's the rating differences. Now let's talk about the drivers. So both of them have the 9.2 mm drivers. Now there is a difference here. Now OnePlus claims that this driver has been re-engineered for bass. While when we reviewed the Oppo Enco M31, we mentioned that bass is not a strength of the M31, but the sound quality is definitely good. So both of them have the 9.2 mm drivers. Now one difference in terms of the output is that OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z has AAC and SBC codec, while the Oppo Enco M31, while it has the SBC and AAC, it also supports LDAC for devices which has support for LDAC, so which is a superior sound, which is an advantage for devices. If you are using a device with LDAC support, the Oppo Enco M31 produces better sound. That's what the LDAC codec has. So that's the difference in terms of the codec support. Now next, let's talk about the latency. Now both of these are not really extremely suited for heavy gamers because both of them are wireless, so there is obviously some latency. Now if you are using a OnePlus device with Fanatic mode turned on, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z has a slight advantage with just 100 millisecond latency. Now Oppo Enco M31 is also quite similar, but now if you're not using a OnePlus device, we feel there is no major advantage. Both of them have quite a similar latency. Now one interesting thing about the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, the base edition, is that there is a quick switch in the regular edition, which has been removed. Now a lot of you have been asking us whether there is a quick switch. There is no mention of quick switch in the manuals. Now many have told us that the power button, the volume up and down key together, if you press, it will actually do quick switch just like the Oppo Enco M31. But we have tried these two earphones for this quick switch. We have connected two different devices, smartphones, and then we tried to do quick switch. The quick switch with the volume up and down key pressed together worked only on the M31. It didn't work for us on the Bullet Wireless Z base edition. So in case you are using a base edition and it worked for you, do let us know in the comment section, because we tried multiple times using the volume up and down key. We couldn't find the quick switch that is not functioning, at least on our unit. Maybe if you are getting that, do let us know in the comment section. But on the Oppo Enco M31, if you press the up and down volume up and down key, the quick switch functions and it will connect to the previously connected device. So that's another added feature for the Oppo Enco M31. Now next, moving on to the sound quality. Now here we will divide into bass and the overall sound quality, because bass is something which a lot of people are asking and requesting. Now as the name indicates, OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z is a bass edition which is re-engineered with a 9.2mm driver, while the Oppo Enco M31 has a switch for bass and balance mode. Now if you talk about the bass alone, obviously the Bullet Wireless Z has better bass. Without doubt, the bass is definitely noticeable on the Bullet Wireless Z when compared to the Oppo Enco M31. Now if you are a person who wants bass, and bass is something which is your priority in picking up the wireless earphones, then you should be going with the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z without any doubt, because the Bullet Wireless Z has much better bass than the Oppo Enco M31. Now if you look at the max volume, that's another area where the Bullet Wireless Z has an advantage. The base edition has higher max volume compared to the Oppo Enco M31. So again, if you listen to songs in very high volumes, then the Bullet Wireless Z makes sense, because with the bass and extra volume available, the max volume available, it gives a kind of different experience for bass lovers. Now talking about the overall sound quality, including the vocals and the balance of bass and everything together, this is where the Oppo Enco M31 is our pick probably, because it's more of a balanced one. But again, my personal choice, I would still love to have bass in my songs when I listen to songs, but then I don't like the kind of excessive bass some earphones bring up. Now the Bullet Wireless Z isn't that kind of earphone, but still when you look at the overall sound quality, we would still pick the Oppo Enco M31 for overall sound quality. It's not just the bass alone, the vocals, the instruments, everything together. We feel the Oppo Enco M31 is more of a balanced one which provides everything. It's not highlighting one of the thing. Now the Bullet Wireless Z is more of a bass, but the Oppo Enco M31 is more of a balanced one. So if I were to pick one for the overall sound quality, I would definitely pick the Oppo Enco M31. Now next is the voice clarity and call clarity. Now we have tried using these earphones for voice calls. Again, both are equally good. Both have the microphones on the neckband. Now to identify which is better in terms of noise cancellation, we have recorded a video using the selfie camera connected to these earphones. So you can actually see if there is any difference in terms of the quality of the audio, the background noise, everything you can compare with these two audio. So you can have a look at these two audio and decide which is better. In our opinion, nothing noticeable in terms of the sound quality when you are making calls or recording using these earphones. So the audio in this video has been recorded using the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z base edition. So right now you can see how good the quality is, and right now the fan is running in the background. So you can see how the noise reduction is on this OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. So the audio in this video recording has been taken using the Oppo Enco M31. So you can see how good the quality of the video is. Right now the fan in the room is running, so you can also see the background noise on this video. Now next is the battery life. Now this is one area where the OnePlus Bullet Wireless C excels because it has 17 hours of music playback, and while the Oppo Enco M31 has 12 hours of music playback, that's clearly 5 hours short of OnePlus Bullet Wireless C base edition. Now another thing about the Oppo Enco M31 battery life is that if you're listening in LDAC format, then the battery life is still reduced to 8 hours when compared to the 17 hours on the Bullet Wireless C. So battery life is stellar on the Bullet Wireless C, and it's not that great on the Oppo Enco M31, but still 8 hours is still, I would say, for my usage is still good. But if you're a person who wants a higher battery life, obviously the Bullet Wireless Z base edition is the one to pick. Now finally, the pricing. Now the Bullet Wireless Z base edition is priced at 1,999, that's 2,000 rupees, and the Oppo Enco M31 is priced 1,800 rupees or 1,799, that's 1,800 rupees. So there's a 200 rupees price difference. Now which one should you buy? So you have to set your priorities here, because there is no one earphones which suits everyone. So you have to set your priorities. So if you're a person who loves to listen to tracks which have more bass and you want to have higher bass and higher max volume, then probably the one to go is the Bullet Wireless C, because the bass is really good when compared to the Oppo Enco M31. But if you're a person who wants to have a great balance in sound quality, great vocals, as well as a decent bass performance, bass is not a primary criteria, but you want a good sound quality, then the Oppo Enco M31 is the one to go, because it's more of a balanced sound output rather than bass alone. So battery life, again, the Oppo Enco M31 is slightly lower, in fact lower than the Bullet Wireless Z, and comfort and other aspects seems quite similar. The Oppo Enco M31 has the advantage with the quick switch and the LDAC support, which are not available on the Bullet Wireless Z. So that was the detailed comparison of the Bullet Wireless Z base edition with the Oppo Enco M31. Now which one will I pick? So if you ask me to pick one, probably I would still pick the Oppo Enco M31, because I am more into balanced sound, and I would definitely pick the Oppo Enco M31 for the balanced sound quality it offers, not just the bass but everything combined together. So that's the detailed comparison of these two earphones. Hope this was useful. Do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the new videos we publish. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.